Some of the ancient religions, such as that of Egypt, they believed, they taught that slaves do not have eternal souls. Only the nobility, they have eternal souls. But then, according to their beliefs, they needed slaves also in the afterlife. So ultimately, they came around to the view that all humans, including slaves, had eternal souls which would serve them in the next world. In the same way, most of the modern religions teach that man alone has an eternal soul, whereas animals do not have such eternal souls. This is quite confusing. Evolution from one genus to another and from one species to another is an exceedingly slow and incremental process, very tortuous process, with no clear-cut demarcation between one species and another species and between animals and humans. It is like the change from a boy to a man, but thousands of times slower. Since there is no clear-cut demarcation between animals and humans during the process of evolution, it is impossible to say when or how a man became different from an animal. What is more, there were other human species like the Neanderthals, the Denisovans, and other creatures who were different from us and yet the same. We could mate with them as horses mate with donkeys. This raises the question as to whether these homo species had eternal souls or whether their souls were partially eternal only. No, this whole issue leads to a lot of questions. At exactly when in the process of evolution did the human or animal temporary transient souls of the animals evolve into the permanent or eternal souls of the humans, as proposed by the religions?